Hi, this is Tony Cook, and welcome to What's in the Box. Today, what's in the box? Oh, it's a beautiful box. It's one of those Kato bookcase sets. This is an 8-car set of early Amtrak passenger cars, the Rainbow Era, before Amtrak got everything painted in red, white, and blue, and there were a lot of the heritage roads still showing. And to pull this train, how about Kato's in-scale E8A, decorated for that Day 1 special livery, Amtrak 4316. What a cool set. The E unit comes ready to run, of course. And where's that one-of-a-kind 4316? This was a Penn Central E unit that Amtrak put this wraparound pointless arrow paint scheme on quickly for its Day 1 in May 1971 to launch the system, or the passenger service. Included in here, there are a few parts. Looks like we've got another coupler. I'm guessing maybe a longer coupler for the front or the back for tighter curves, and the trip hoses, as Kato does, leaving those to the side. Let's take a look at the set. Out of its cardboard sleeve, it's the typical green vinyl case, and included in here's paperwork. And wow, look at that. 8 passenger cars, and out of the 8, we've got about half are decorated in Phase 1 Amtrak livery, and then the others are Penn Central in a mix of, oh, like this is a Pensy scheme here in the Tuscan red. So you have kind of a neat mix of things that you can put together an early Amtrak style train. And there is, in the paperwork, kind of the list of everything that makes it up. Awesome set. Neat to see Kato do this. This is the Amtrak, young Amtrak from 1971. The Rainbow Era 8-car set, and the E8A as 4316 Day 1 Amtrak livery. That's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.